What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you where you can buy BeraChain tokens, and I'm going to show you their bridge, how you can transfer Ethereum from mainnet or Ethereum from Ethereum network, Base and other ones to BeraChain. But before I'm going to show you how to do that, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your research before investing money into anything. First, let's go to CoinGecko website, and as you can see right here at the time of recording this video, BeraChain is $7, and if we press on markets, you can see right here every single centralized exchange that actually supports BeraChain tokens, starting from Binance, BitGet, OKX, Gate.io, and many other ones. I think even Coin Exchange also supports Bera tokens. You can either go and buy from centralized exchange and then send it to your MetaMask, or we can go to their bridge as well. One of the ways, centralized exchange, and then if we go to their website, right here, press on dApps and then press on token bridge. Then this website is gonna appear. So right here, what we need to do, just connect wallet, MetaMask, and then connect. And in here, we need to change network from which chain we're gonna be transferring tokens. And in my case, let's say Base BeraChain. However, I cannot just exchange tokens, let's say send ETH or USDC and then receive BeraChain's token by some reason. I don't know why they did that. However, if you still need couple BeraChain's tokens, here's what you can do. Just let's say choose ETH on Base, you'll be getting wrapped Ethereum. That's the only option they gave you. Right here, just set the minimum amount, like couple cents or something, and then right here, gas at destination. Press add, and then max you can get up to 3 BeraChain's tokens. Close it. Once you set all that up, you can bridge your Ethereum or any other tokens into BeraChain network and also receive few Bera tokens at the destination. Press on swap, probably review and then confirm the swap. It would take a little bit. You would get your token in MetaMask wallet. However, if you don't want to use their bridge, let's say for example you only need BeraChain tokens in your wallet because you're trying to mint something or something that's gonna require BeraChain, which you can do. You can go to relay.link, connect your wallet, and this bridge actually offers BeraChain. So what you do, let's say Base or choose any other chains that's available over here, choose that, set what you're going to be sending, and in my case, let's say Ethereum, BeraChain token in here, you just choose that, and then what would you like to receive? They're also offering different options, but in this case, we're just going to stick with Bera. Let's say set the amount, and it's gonna fetch, it's gonna calculate, and it's gonna give you the amount which you're gonna be getting for this transaction. Most likely you only gonna pay, let's say like 4 or 5 cents, and this is pretty much it. That's how you bridge from Ethereum or other tokens into BeraChain to get BeraChain tokens. And all the links that I show you in this video I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.